Asia Business Meet is Sasio's signature buyer meets seller platform for the Asia Pacific region.
So this year, we welcome 55 global buyers to Singapore.
Through the feedback that we have researched with the team, we have completely redesigned the one-to-one meet to deepen the level of engagement between the buyers and the sellers.
That's right, we're going to have 5 different components this year, starting off with Speed Meet. These are the first 2 hours of the day where every seller gets to meet every buyer. Then from there, we're going to a deep dive session of 2 hours where buyers get to spend more time with the sellers that they might have business leads for. Then everyone gets a lunch break. This year is going to be a sit-down lunch where we have 10 different topics at an industry level that these buyers and sellers can solve together and most probably bring a solution to it. Now in the afternoon is what we have, what we call a trade secret workshop where the buyers share with all our sellers in the Asia Pacific region what is the best way to get more business out of their region. Of course, there's nothing like a party. Then we'll end the day with a gala celebrations in Singapore. So we can't wait to get you here.
Come join us!